Good morning to everyone, especially to our Professor Ma'am Gemma. Today we're going to learn about the kingdom of plants or the kingdom plantae. The kingdom plantae includes all types of plants. They are eukaryotic, multicellular, and autotrophic organism. The kingdom plantae also called the kingdom metaphyta. The kingdom plantae includes all types of eukaryotic and multicellular and photosynthetic plants that found in our biosphere or ecosystem. The plant diversity. The virus division of the kingdom Plantae have traditionally been separated into two groups, the Tylophyta and the Embryophyta. Tylophyta or Tylopates, like algae and fungi, are simpler plants with less specialized cell and structure. Ibig sabihin, mga simpleng halaman lang sila katulad ng fungi at algae na walang specialized cells and structure. Tylophyta, they lack vascular tissue, xylem, and pollen. Ibig sabihin, wala silang roots, stem, or leaves. Pag sinabi naman po nating xylem, ito po yung nagtatransport ng water from roots to leaves. Pag sinabi naman po nating pollen, ito po yung nagtatransport ng nutrients from leaves to roots. Ang tawag po sa katawan ng tylopates ay tylus. And also uncellular and don't have a protective layer. And also we have the three major for classification of Tylophyta. First is division of Chlorophyta or green algae. Second is division of Pheophyta or brown algae. Third is division of Rhodophyta or red algae. Green algae o Chlorophyta are considered the ancestor of land plants and are unique among algae. Ibig sabihin, ang green algae ay tinaguri ang ancestor ng mga alaman at pinakakakaibang algae o lumot na nagtataglay ng chlorophylls. Pag sinabi natin chlorophylls, nagtataglay na green na kulay ng isang halaman. At ang trabaho ng chlorophylls ay tumulong o absorb ng light sa araw o tinatawag nating photosynthesis. Ang mga green algae raw po ay nabubuhay sa freshwater, land, and ocean. Green algae evolution show diverse form from starting simple uncellular organism to complex structure like multicellular, filament, and leaf-like form. Ang pag-i-evolve daw po ng green algae ay complex. Nagsisimula po sila sa simple unicellular to multicellular. Dahil kabilang sa green algae ang parehong unicellular at multicellular. Ang paghihiwalay sa kanila ay napakahirap sapagkat tinuturing rin po silang mga tunay na halaman na nagtataglay ng unicellular form at multicellular form na mas kilala natin simpler level ng isang halaman. Brown algae o Pheophyta are mostly marine or nakikita natin sila sa dagat at natatagpuan sa malalamig na tubig o mas kilala nating mga seaweed. Ang mga brown algae raw po ay lumalaki hanggang 45 meters and their structure can vary from simple filament to complex form. Pag sinabi nating filament, ito po ay ang single thread or a thin flexible thread-like object or maninipis na nabibinat na seaweed. Brown algae cell wall are made from cellulose and alginic acid, which are valuable commercially for use to cosmetics, drugs, and food products like ice cream. Brown algae contain chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C instead of the chlorophyll B found in green algae and have brown color due to pigment called fucoxanthin. Fucoxanthin is a xanthophyll with the chemical formula C42H58O6. It is an accessory pigment in the chloroplast of brown seaweed. Kaya meron silang brown na kulay. And also, they store energy as different polysaccharide. Diba, familiar naman na po tayo sa polysaccharide is the composed of several smaller monosaccharide. Reproduction can be asexual or sexual. In sexual reproduction, specialized structure called gametania produce gametes. Antirrhada for male gametes, and Ognonia for female gametes. Life cycle is usually characterized by alternation of the gametophyte haploid and the sporophyte diploid. Multicellular generation. Pag sinabi pong gametophyte, ito po ay isang multicellular haploid stage sa isang plant life cycle. At pag sinabi naman pong sporophyte, ito po ay isang multicellular diploid generation na magtatagpuan sa halaman at lumot. Red algae o rhodophyta are mostly marine seaweed na matatagpuan sa dagat at meron din pong matatagpuan sa fresh water and land. Ang red algae raw po ay karaniwang lumalaki sa malalim kaysa sa brown algae. At karamihan rin po sa red algae ay multicellular, kahit ang ilan ay unicellular, and generally smaller than brown algae o mas maliit po siya sa brown algae. Ang red algae rin po ay may cell wall na made of cellulose and mucilage at katulad ng brown algae, ang red algae rin po ay nag-store ng energy na galing sa polysaccharide. They are for commercial product like agar used in bacterial culture and as thickness and moisture returners in food like chocolate milk and marshmallow. Kaya po sinabing thickness kasi nga po malagkit. Despite their name, red algae can also be black, violet, brown, yellow, or green.